Thank you, buddy.
You need some new tape.
Yeah, I do. I got some too. Another Aggreko hockey game here on this Friday night. So the Summer League well underway. This is only the second game I've played goalie for this summer after Goalie Palooza, which was disappointing that the player cam somehow ended up in photo burst mode instead of film mode. So I missed out on some great moments of me falling over. Let's see if we can pull up a win against the Longchamps. A good chance in front. So the Summer League, maybe not as serious as the Winter League. Oh, good shot there. A lot of players miss weeks from vacation and stuff like that, but we still want to defend our summer championship. Why not make it a three-peat, even though some people will say only one of those championships would be real in the wintertime. We got guys forgetting jerseys all over the place. Mike forgot his for like 4 weeks. He's got his. Eric 2 still doesn't have one, our newest addition this summer. And Evan forgot his tonight. Watch the shot. Good pass. Oh, there you go, Brett. Has a chance. Oh! And then he gets knocked over. Good save. Where'd it go? Huh?
I thought you had it. That's I honestly have no idea. I thought you had it too.
I thought I did too. Was it underneath the pad or was it loose? Okay. Damn, well that sucks. Hey, good screen, good screen. Nicely done. I don't know if Evan touched that or not. Whoa! Almost flipped in. Good pass back to the point. Finish the call. Good stick save. Oh, but I've not played a lot of goalie lately over the last couple weeks. I'd like to get into a rhythm here. Might get my chance right now. Oh, nice poke check, Paul. Poke check Paul, that's what they call him. Not actually. Nice D, nice D. Good job so far. I'm not getting any shots, I'm bored.
What'd you say?
Yeah, I know, right? Woo, cranked it.
You guys are hearing whistles.
I hear the whistles too. It's the kids that are whistling. Close. Stay in the net.
Stay in net.
30 seconds. Oh, turnover chance. Woo! Oh no, he accidentally shoveled it in off his chest. Oh, that's a bummer. Nice high shot though, Kurt. Yeah. Well, that's one way to do it, Kurt.
I didn't even see him coming in.
That's an interesting goal, Kurt.
Yeah, it's an interesting goal.
So what did he catch it and then drop it and then?
He went to Clarendon his own net.
He collected it when he got clear out.
He pulled the mic. Pulled the mic.
He pulled a mic.
Hey, Tom, hold to the penalty box. Hey, you guys need to stop screaming. Everybody thinks it's a whistle.
Okay.
You want my whistle?
Yeah, I know. Let's see your satellite.
Unlike Mike, I don't put him in.
2 on 0, 2 on 0. Never mind. What the hell was that there? Penalty. Penalty. P-A-N-N-L-D-Y. Penalty. Good fake. 50 seconds. Ooh, good shot. Oh, good save. I think that is his mask. Oh, good tip. What a shot. Damn it. That's a good shot.
Nice save. Yeah, nice save. What a hold on. Front of you, front of you. Let's see if we'll
They're on it?
Yep.
They're on it? Okay. If you owe me $5, you can do it.
You're good, you're good. Whoa! Hey! Hey, good save with the goalie out of position again. He's flying around all over the place. All the way down, all the way down. Good save.
No, here.
Jesus. Well, that's all right. He beat all of us. And that is the second. All right, so when all of you guys get mad at me for coming out of my net and playing the puck, I just want you to remember that display was how bad it could be, all right? So appreciate, appreciate, all right? Good setup here. Oh, off the outside of the cage. Have it, have it. Ooh, and off the post, eh? Damn, nice shot. What do you got, Paul? Nice cut in. Oh, did it go in? I don't know, I don't think so. Good save. Damn. Uh-oh. Woo, good save. Hey, what a redirect. Pinball Wizard in off of Eric, I think. Damn, what a shot. Oh, great job in front. Did he save it? Oh my. Still loose. Woo. Wow. I think he's hurt though. That's not good. Woo. Nice job, nice job. Good finish. Door! Shoot! Unlucky. Good game, boys. Nice job.
Good job, buddy. Hey, boys.
Great game.
Okay.
Yeah, Caleb.
Nice job, nice job. Nice job. Oh, damn.
Sorry, Caleb.
No, that was my fault. I had a subpar performance tonight.
Thank you.
I changed flavors tonight.
That's all right. Thank you, sir. Well, somebody had to say it.
I couldn't fit. I think all three of their shots through streams. I didn't pick them up until it was too late.
At least the beer won't let us down.